Hey Lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back the very next day with a continuation of yesterday's video. If you guys watched my previous video, then you saw how that wash and go just failed and I ended up having to do a mini braid out with 4 braids. And I was excited because, I'm like, oh good, I can do like a big fluffy braid out because I've yet to do that before, at least on camera. I know I haven't done it on camera yet, so I'm excited to try that for you. So in order to take the braids down, I'm going to be using my L Organics Mint Almond Oil. That is my favorite oil. It smells so good and it really helps my scalp and my hair just shine. And a lot of good things going on there. As you can see, I'm just adding some oil to my ends because they were pretty dry, probably from when I was asleep last night. And so I just made sure my hands were nice and coated in the oil so that my hair could be coated in the oil, not too heavy, but just enough while taking down the braids. Now I know there was a little bit of confusion going on with my previous video. Apparently YouTube thought I was using copyright music for my video and I definitely was not, but they still took my video down temporarily anyway. And as soon as I disputed the claim, they had my video back up and running again. So if you guys missed out, just go ahead and finish watching this video first and then watch the previous video. Now, once I got all my hair down, I was really surprised at how big it was right away. I don't know why though, because, I do have a lot of hair, so one would think that, yeah, duh, Ebony, it's gonna be big, but I don't know. I just thought it would have more definition at first, but at the same time, I was really loving my hair. I don't know. I just never see it like this. It's always so defined and every curl in place, but I was really happy to see it big and just kind of free for once, and it was really, really soft. Now I am realistic. I know that this is not going to last probably more than 2 days, maybe 1. It's just too soft and fluffy. It's just not going to last very long, but I don't know. I really like this whole look and how it came together, and I also like the fact that when it's time to go to bed, I can just do either a pineapple bun or just go ahead and do, my 4 braids and be finished with it and have the same look tomorrow for like little to no work. All right, that's going to be the end of this video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and make sure you turn on those notifications. I see y'all notification gang in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.